may I, might I. Mastering modal verbs in English. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video where we're diving deep into the English language, and specifically into the world of modal verbs. Today, we're looking at two very important modal verbs, may and might. By the end of this video, you'll be able to understand and use these modal verbs confidently in your conversations and writing. So, let's get started. May and might are primary modal verbs in English. They are used to indicate possibility, permission, or to express a wish. The key thing to remember is that these verbs are used in a similar context but with slightly different implications. When we use may, we are talking about something that is likely to happen, or is a real possibility. For instance, if I say, "It may rain today," I'm expressing that there is a real chance of rain today. May is also used when asking for or giving permission. For example, "May I borrow your book?" Here, may is used to politely ask for permission. Might, on the other hand, is used when the possibility of something happening is uncertain or unlikely. So, if I say, "It might snow in July," I'm saying that it's unlikely, but not impossible, for it to snow in July. Might can also be used as a more tentative form of may when asking for permission. "Might I have another piece of cake?" Sounds less direct and more polite than using may. Now that we know how to use may and might, it's important to understand the key difference. When we use may, there's a greater chance of the event happening, but with might, the possibility is less. Remember, both of these modal verbs are flexible and can be used interchangeably in some contexts. The tone, context, and level of formality often determine which one is more appropriate to use. Let's put these into practice. Try to create your own sentences using may and might. The more you use them, the more comfortable you will become. Here are a few examples to get you started. 1. I may go to the concert tonight. 2. She might finish her homework before dinner. 3. Might I use your computer for a moment? That's it for today, folks. I hope this video has helped clarify the usage of may and might. Remember, mastering these modal verbs can add depth to your English expression. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Until our next lesson, keep learning, and happy studying.